Okay, so let's continue with our next video in our coding exercise series. So in this video, we will solve the problem Tom's and birthday, which is on the HackerRank, and it is the easy category question. So let's read the question. Tom is planning to celebrate the birthday of his friend Diksha. There are two types of gift that Diksha wants from Tom. One is black and the one is white. To make her happy, Tom has to buy B black gifts and W white gifts. So Tom has to give some gift to Diksha, and Diksha want only two color of gift. One is black and one is white. So Tom is purchasing some black gifts and some white gifts. So B black gifts and W white gifts. The cost of each black gift is BC units. The cost of every white gift is WC unit. The cost to convert a black gift into a white gift or vice versa. Vice versa means white gift to black gift is Z unit. So basically, when you are purchasing some gifts, so you there is some cost like you have to pay to the shopkeeper. So if you purchasing black gifts, so the cost is BC, and if you are purchasing white gift, the cost is WC. Right? It could be like any amount. Along with that, you can convert, you can like go back to the shopkeeper and change, or can you replace the black gift with the white gift or the white gift with the black gift. But if you do that, you have to pay some extra fees or money. That is a Z unit. So that is the conversion fees. All right. So as an example, and we need to determine the minimum cost. All right. So the Tom is giving some gifts to the Diksha. So what Tom wants is, okay, Tom said, okay, I can give the gifts, but I should pay the less money. So how, like, should I only get the black gifts, or should I just take the white gifts, or should I convert the white to the black gifts? So we need to find the minimum cost. Okay. So B is 3, W is 5. So Tom uh, purchases 3 black gifts, 5 white gifts, right? And the black gifts cost is BC. So 3 is the cost, right? So which means if you take only the black gift, so 3 into 3, 9. And for the white gift cost is 4. So if you purchase 5 boxes of white, so 5 into 4, 20. Right? So that is the total cost. So 3 3 are 9 and 5 4 are 20. So 20 plus 9, 29. So total cost is 29. If you just take whatever, just 3 blacks and 5 white. But so you have two options. Either you can pay the 29 rupees or whatever the 29 rupees. If you just go with the 3 black units and 5 white units. Or if you want to reduce your cost, you want to pay less money, what you can do is you can try the conversion option. So conversion option is, so the Z is 1. 1 means you have to pay extra 1 rupees for the conversion. Now you have to figure it out. Shall I convert the black boxes to white boxes, or shall I convert white boxes to the black boxes? What should I do so that I can get the less, I have to pay the less amount, right? So this is a straightforward question. Let me like write that. So B is the black unit, W is the white unit, BC is the cost of black unit, W is the cost of white unit, and Z is the conversion cost, right? So you are purchasing black unit, right? So black unit cost or black gift cost, right? So if you just go with the black, so B into BC, right? So one option is you can go with the B into BC because you purchase B unit of black, and whatever the units you have to pay, the total price is B star BC because BC is the amount. So 3 boxes, so 3 into BC. Now white gift cost. So you purchases W white gift, and for each white box you have to give the WC unit. So one answer could be like the straightforward, and you can return this. Black gift cost plus white gift code. So this is the straightforward answer, but this is not going to work because you need to find the minimum. So minimum is currently we are not converting black into white and white into black, right? So basically you have to find the minimum cost. So minimum cost means so you have to figure it out. Shall I convert the black if I take B star BC, or if I convert boxes to white boxes, which will be the lower amount? So basically, you have two options, right? So one is the B star BC, right? The other is what you can do is you can convert black boxes to the white boxes. So let's suppose you have B black boxes, and if you convert black boxes to the white boxes, what you have to do? So you are going to pay the cost for the white boxes, right? Because you converted black boxes to the white boxes, right? So now this B is actual white boxes and you have to pay the cost. But you have to also pay the conversion cost. So the conversion cost is extra extra Z unit, extra Z rupees, right? So in reality, you have two options. Either go with this option or either go with sorry either go with this option B star BC, that is just take the whatever the number of black boxes and give to the you give to your friend, or the other option is you can convert black to the white. So if you convert black to the white, you have to give the conversion cost plus, now because you are converting the black to the white, so if you have to calculate the cost, you will multiply with the white cost, not the black cost, right? So you have two options, but you have to take the minimum. So what you can do is you can just do the minimum of these two. So whatever the minimum of these two, you are going with that. Similarly, for the white one, you have two options. Either whatever the number of white boxes, you can purchase that, or you can convert white to the black boxes. Right. So if you convert white to the black boxes, so whatever, let's suppose W is 4 unit. So you are converting, you go to the shopkeeper and said, can you convert or change this four white boxes to the four black boxes? Shopkeeper said, okay, I am going to convert. So now, because I am giving you the black boxes, you have to pay me the black box cost. All right. But the unit remains same. All right. Plus, along with that, you have to give me the extra conversion cost. All right. So B star BC plus Z, extra conversion cost. Now you will take the minimum. So basically, while being at the shop, you will do some calculation. What calculation you will do? Okay, you will figure it out. Okay, if I take the black boxes, uh, how much money I need to pay, or if I convert it to the white boxes, how much money I need to pay. Then you will figure it out. Okay, if I just take the white boxes, I am paying 20 rupees, and if I convert into the white boxes, then I am paying 15 rupees. All right, then better should I will convert. All right. Similarly, you will say, okay, if I take just the white boxes, I have to pay 30 rupees. If I convert to the black boxes, I am paying 40 rupees. So no, so I am not doing the conversion for the white boxes, right? So that's why like you have to take. Now you will get the minimum here, you will get the minimum here. Now you will just add and return it. Let's try to run that. So sample test case has been passed. Let's try to submit the code to test all the test cases. So all the test cases works fine. So this is a straightforward question, not a very complicated question. You have to just read it, like uh, the only catch here is the jet, that is the conversion. Because if it is just normal, okay, can you calculate the cost? You can simply calculate, okay, 3 star BC, 5 star WC, a basic mathematics question, right? But here the catch is you can you have to find the minimum cost. The minimum should be, shall I go with the black boxes or shall I convert to the white boxes? So you have to compare, okay, which will give me the minimum value. Similarly, shall I go with the white boxes or shall I convert it to the black boxes? So you have to compare which will give me the minimum. Whatever the value you will get the minimum, you will take that and you will pay to the shopkeeper. So this is the minimum cost. So that's it. That's the end of the video and thank you.